Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious baklava recipe. First, ensure your phyllo dough is thawed and ready to use. You'll need about 1 pound of finely chopped nuts, typically walnuts or pistachios, and 2 sticks of melted unsalted butter. We'll also prepare a fragrant simple syrup to soak the baklava after baking. This recipe is straightforward and yields a truly impressive dessert. Now, let's start assembling. Take 1 sheet of phyllo dough and gently brush it with melted butter. Place it in your baking pan. Repeat this process for about 8 to 10 layers. Then, sprinkle about 1 cup of your chopped nuts evenly over the buttered phyllo. Continue layering phyllo and butter, adding nuts every 4 to 5 layers until all your ingredients are used up. Once all your layers are in, it's time to cut the baklava. Use a sharp knife to create diamond or square shapes before baking. This helps the syrup penetrate evenly. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes, or until it's golden brown and crispy. While it bakes, ensure your simple syrup is cool and ready. After baking, immediately pour the cool simple syrup over the hot baklava. You'll hear a satisfying sizzle. Let it sit for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, to fully absorb the syrup and develop its rich flavor. Garnish with some extra chopped pistachios for a beautiful presentation. This sweet treat is perfect for sharing. Also, be sure to check the description for links to ingredients and other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.